Hi there guys, this is Korak Roy. Now are you too under the misconception that we men have few accessories to flaunt? Well, think again. I've got this great looking wallet here from WildHorn that is not just very stylish but very practical as well. A great accessory. This hand-stitched leather wallet has several compartments for you to arrange your possessions properly. There are compartments for notes, cards and coins, and even two hidden compartments. It's a compactly designed wallet, slim and light enough to fit in your pocket, yet spacious enough to carry all that you need.
Break it.
I firmly swear by this wallet. It's so smooth and spacious, I'm sure you'll love it too. Try it yourself.